So in last class we discussed the nth differentiation of some standard functions like exponential function and trigonometric functions such that sin ax plus b, cos ax plus b, that functions nth derivatives are discussed. Yes, in today's class I continue the nth differentiation of some more standard functions. As you see this problem, so yeah, what is the nth differentiation of log of ax plus b? That is, if y is log of ax plus b, so then what is its nth derivative? That is, yn means its nth differentiation. We need to find yn. Yn means the nth differentiation. Yes, to find its nth differentiation, you take that function y, you take let y is equal to ax plus b. Write the given function, let y is equal to log of ax plus b. Yes, all of you know that the differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Like that, if we differentiate this y with respect to x, differentiate this with respect to x, differentiation of y is y1 is equal to, its differentiation is 1 by ax plus b. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Like that, differentiation of log ax plus b is 1 by ax plus b. Again we have to differentiate this ax plus b. Its differentiation is simply a. Now again we differentiate this y1 with respect to x. Differentiate this with respect to x. Differentiation of y1 is y2. y2 is equal to, what is it? It is in the form of 1 by x. Differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So that is, you can write this is minus 1 by x means that is ax plus b. ax plus b square minus 1 by x square into differentiation of ax plus b is a into this a. So e yadu antandre last term alli last differentiation ittala, so that a I am written here. So now you simplifying this y2 is y2 is equal to, it is minus 1 into, you can bring this term to numerator, and a into a is a square into ax plus b to the power minus 2. When you bring this ax plus b to numerator, it is ax plus b to the power minus 2 agutte. Now you differentiate this again with respect to x. So ಮತ್ತೆ differentiation ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ with respect to x, differentiate this with respect to x. Differentiation of y2 is y3 is equal to minus 1 into a square is constant. You keep that as it is. It is in the form of x to the power of n. Differentiation of x to the power n is nx to the power n minus 1. Similarly, its differentiation is minus 2 into ax plus b to the power minus 2 minus 1 into differentiation of ax plus b is a. Now y3 is equal to, it is minus 1 into minus 2 into into a square into a is a cube into, it is ax plus b to the power minus 3. Simplifying y3 is equal to, it is minus 1 minus 1. You take minus common factor. It is minus 1 whole square into 1 into 2. 1 into 2 can be written as 2 factorial. 1 into 2 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. 1 into 2 na 2 factorial ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. So now this into a cube into ax plus b to the power minus 3. If you wanted to differentiate this again, you can differentiate, or otherwise you can generalize the result. So for your better understanding, I just differentiate this again with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. So then differentiation of y3 is y4 is equal to minus 1 square into 2 factorial into a cube is constant. ಇಷ್ಟು ಮೂರು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಇದನ್ನ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. when you differentiate that, it gives that minus 3 into ax plus b to the power minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1, so that is minus 4. You can write it directly. Again differentiation of ax plus b is a, so that is y4 is equal to, you take one more minus 1 common factor here, minus 3 in the minus 1 separate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, so ಆ minus 1 ಅನ್ನ minus 1 whole square ಗೆ multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so it gives that minus 1 whole cube. So remaining is 2 factorial into 3. 2 factorial into 3 can be written as 3 factorial. A cube into a is a to the power 4 into ax plus b to the power minus 4. So now you write the, if you go on continuing like this, at nth stage, we obtain that, at nth stage we obtain yn is equal to, y4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ minus 1 ನ power 3 ಇದೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 is the number which is less than, which is one number less than 4. Okay, so like that. So if it is n, so minus 1 should has the power n minus 1, so it is minus 1 to the power n minus 1. 4 ಇದ್ದಾಗ 3 ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೋರಿಯಲ್ ಇದೆ, n ಇದ್ದಾಗ n ಗಿಂತ 1 ನಂಬರ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕು, that number should be less than 1. So n minus 1 factorial into, if it is y4, a has the power 4, if it is yn, a must has the power n. So y4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ a ನ power 4 ಇದ್ರೆ yn ಅಲ್ಲಿ a ನ power n ಇರುತ್ತೆ. This into ax plus b to the power minus n, because y4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ax plus b ನ power minus 4 ಇತ್ತು, yn ಅಲ್ಲಿ ax plus b ನ power minus n ಇರಬೇಕು. So therefore yn can be written as minus 1 to the power n minus 1, n minus 1 factorial into a to the power n, this divided by ax plus b to the power n. This is the nth differentiation of log of ax plus b. Therefore nth differentiation of log of ax plus b is, therefore nth differentiation of log ax plus b is equal to minus 1 to the power n minus 1, n minus 1 factorial into a to the power n, this divided by ax plus b to the power n. So this is the nth differentiation of log of ax plus b. You should remember this standard result. So again, one more standard function is y is equal to 1 by ax plus b. It is very similar to previous one. So y is equal to 1 by ax plus b. You take this function is, let y is equal to ax plus 1 by ax plus b. Let y is equal to 1 by ax plus b. It is in the form of 1 by x. Differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Similarly, if we differentiate this with respect to x, differentiation of y is y1 is minus 1 by ax plus b whole square. Differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Again, differentiation of 1 by ax plus b is minus 1 by ax plus b whole square. Again, differentiation of ax plus b gives a. So that is y1 is equal to, it is minus 1 into a, that is constants. E term numerator tagondre, it is ax plus b to the power minus 2. This is y1. Again you differentiate this y1 with respect to x. Differentiation of y1 gives y2. So differentiate with respect to x. Differentiation of y1 is y2. y2 is equal to, it is minus 1 into a, that are constants. So differentiation of ax plus b to the power minus 2 is minus 2 into ax plus b to the power minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Again differentiation of ax plus b is a. So that is y2 is equal to, ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 1 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು minus 1 ಇದೆ. So if you take minus 1 into minus 1, it gives minus 1 whole square. A into a is a square. So remaining here is only 2. 2 ಮಾತ್ರ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. You can write that 2 is 2 factorial. 2 factorial ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು ಅರೆ 2 ನ. This into ax plus b to the power minus 3. You differentiate this again with respect to x. Differentiation of y2 is y3. y3 is equal to minus 1 square into a square into 2 factorial. ಈ ಮೂರು factors constants ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. So now the differentiation of ax plus b to the power minus 3 is minus 3 into ax plus b to the power minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4 into differentiation of ax plus b is a. So that is y3 is equal to minus 1 ಇದೆ, minus 1 whole square ಇದೆ. ಈ minus 3 ನಲ್ಲಿರೋ minus ನ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ it is again minus 1. minus 1 into minus 1 whole square is minus 1 whole cube. A square into a is a cube. So remaining is 2 factorial into 3. 2 factorial into 3 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. You can write that 2 factorial into 3 has 3 factorial. 3 factorial into ax plus b to the power minus 4. Yes, by using this y3, we can generalize the result. If we go on continuing like this, at nth term we have, or at nth stage, we get that yn is equal to minus 1 to the power, y3 ನಲ್ಲಿ minus 1 ಗೆ power 3 ಇದೆ. So yn ನಲ್ಲಿ minus 1 ಗೆ power n ಇರಬೇಕು. So you write it is minus 1 to the power n. In y3 a has a power 3. So in yn a must has the power n. In y3 we have 3 factorial. In yn it should be n factorial into ax plus b to the power minus, this number 4 is 1 more than 3. Okay, this number 4 is 1 more than 3. So this power should be 1 more than n, that is n plus 1. So it is minus of n plus 1. So that is yn is equal to, minus 1 to the power n into n factorial into a to the power n by ax plus b to the power n plus 1. Minus 1 to the n factorial into a to the power n by ax plus b to the power n plus 1. Therefore, nth differentiation of, the nth differentiation of, so that is dn. Sorry, this is not good. Nth differentiation of 1 by ax plus b, 1 by ax plus b, this is equal to minus 1 to the power n factorial into a to the power n by ax plus b to the power n plus 1. This is the nth differentiation of 1 by ax plus b. Similarly, one more standard function is y is equal to ax plus b to the power m. Y is equal to ax plus b to the power m. So if y is ax plus b to the power of m, where m is a positive integer and n is the value should be less than or is equal to m. So then we have to show that yn is equal to m factorial by m minus n factorial into ax plus b to the n minus n into a to the n. Yes, to prove this result, you take the function y is equal to, let y is equal to, so let y is equal to ax plus b to the power m. This is the given function. Ax plus b to the power m. You just go on differentiating this. Differentiate this with respect to x. Differentiation of y is y1. y1 is equal to differentiation of, it is in the form of x to the power n. Differentiation of x to the power of n is nx to the power n minus 1. Differentiation of ax plus b to the power m is m into ax plus b to the power m minus 1. Again differentiation of ax plus b is a. Now you differentiate this y1 with respect to x. Differentiate this y1 with respect to x. It gives y2 is equal to m into this constant a into its differentiation is m minus 1 into ax plus b to the power m minus 2. M minus 1 minus 1 is m minus 2 into differentiation of ax plus b is again a. So that is y2 is equal to m into m minus 1 into ax plus b to the power m minus 2 into a into a. A into a is a square. A into a is a square. Yes, this is the second derivative of y with respect to x. Again you differentiate this y2. So differentiation of y2 gives y3. Differentiate this with respect to x. So y3 is equal to m into m minus 1, that are constants. Keep that as it is. So differentiation of ax plus b to the power m minus 2 is m minus 2 into ax plus b to the power m minus 2 minus 1 is m minus 3 into differentiation of ax plus b is a into a square. So that is y3 is equal to m into m minus 1 into m minus 2 into ax plus b to the power ax plus b to the power m minus 3 into a cube. This is y3. By using y3, you can generalize the result. Generalize mana result na. So you write that y3 has. So if you go on continuing like this, at the nth stage, we obtain that yn is equal to nodi. Here in y3 we have three factors. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ m minus 1, m minus 2. That last factor is m minus 2. That 2 is the number 1 less than 3. So that means we have three factors m minus 1, m minus 2 in y3. So in yn we must have n factors. yn ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್? n ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದು ಅದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ you can write that is m into m minus 1 into m minus 2 into and so on. That last factor is m minus. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇದ್ರೆ -2 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ n ಇದ್ರೆ 1 ನಂಬರ್ n ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ n - 1 like that into ax plus b into ax plus b to the power m-3. y3 ನಲ್ಲಿ m-3 ಇದೆ, yn ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ m-n ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. it should be m-n. y3 in y3 a has a power 3, in yn a must has the power n. So that is yn is equal to m into m-1 into m-2 and so on, m minus of n-1 and ax plus b to the power m minus n into a to the power n. Yes, here we have to take one substitution. So here we have to take some alterations to this yn, because our desired result is comes it's off. So ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ m ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೋರಿಯಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ m ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೋರಿಯಲ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಟು ಗೆಟ್ m ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೋರಿಯಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ I am just written this one as m into m-1 into m-2 into and so on, it is m minus n-1. If you want to write one more, so which is the next factor of this m minus n-1, so that is m minus n-1 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು. So this number is m minus of this number is always increasing by 1. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ, m-2 ಇದೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ m-3 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ m-n-1 ಇದ್ರೆ that this number should be 1 more than this. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ 1 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ this number should be m-n. If I am writing this m-n, where it ends, I am just multiplying the factors that m-n, m minus of n plus 1, like that you write. So finally we have some constant like 2, 1. So this divided by, so in denominator also you multiply the same m minus n into and so on up to 2 into 1 you write. This into ax plus b to the power m minus n into a to the power n. Yes, now yn can be written as, you see this is 1 into 2 into 3, 4, 5, 6, up to where it is there? Up to m, which is the last factor, m. So andre 1 into 2 into 3 up to 10 idre 10 factorial anta baribodu. Like that, 1 into 2 into 3 up to m is there. You can write that numerator is m factorial. Hagadre numerator na ನಾವು m factorial anta baribodu. So okay, similarly in denominator we have, denominator ಏನಿದೆ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಇದೆ m minus n ವರೆಗೆ ಇದೆ. So you can write that denominator is m minus n factorial. This into ax plus b to the power m minus n into a to the power n. This is the desired result. So it is m factorial by m minus n factorial into ax plus b to the power m minus n into a to the power n. This is the nth derivative of ax plus b to the power m when m is a positive integer. So therefore nth differentiation of ax plus b to the power m is equal to m factorial divided by m minus n factorial into ax plus b to the power m minus n into a to the power n. This is the nth differentiation of the function ax plus b to the power m. So when m is greater than n, when m is greater than n, so n is greater than m ಆದರೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So m is equal to n ಆದರೆ, so m is equal to n ಆದರೆ, so then what happens if m is equal to n? So ನೋಡೋಣ ಅದನ್ನ. So note that in above result in above result, if m is equal to n, m is equal to n ಆದರೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು? So then dn, or you can write dm of or dn of, so what it is, whatever it is, so either in place of m you can write n ಅಥವಾ n ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ m ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. So you write it is dm of ax plus b to the power m. This is equal to, then what happens, it is m factorial divided by m and n are same, so you can write it is m minus m factorial into ax plus b to the power m minus m, because m and n are same, m minus m into a to the power m, because n is equal to m. So now what happens here is, which is equal to m factorial, or you can write n factorial. In denominator it is 0 factorial. 0 factorial means it is 1. So a and ax plus b to the power 0. Ax plus b to the power 0. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. So this into a to the power m. M or n you can write. So which is equal to n factorial or m factorial into a to the power n, or it is m factorial into a to the power m. You can write anything. So this is the value we obtained when m is equal to n. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, find fifth derivative ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿ ax plus b to the power 5 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ you can write the answer directly like this. Okay, so this is the problem. Again, one more problem is find the nth differentiation of 1 by ax plus b to the power of m. In this result, you can replace m by some negative number like minus p, like that you can write. So or you can solve separately. Separately ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? So let us see what we obtain. So now you take the function, let y is equal to 1 by ax plus b to the power m, or you can write y is equal to ax plus b to the power minus m. You just go on differentiate this with respect to x. Differentiation of y is y1 is equal to minus m. See, its power is minus m. So it is in the form of x to the power of n. X to the power of n ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, n x to the power n minus 1. ಅದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ m ಇಂಟು ax plus b to the power, you can write it is minus m minus 1 into again differentiation of ax plus b gives a. So again we differentiate this y1 with respect to x. Differentiate this with respect to x. Differentiation of y1 gives y2. y2 is equal to, y2 ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ y2 is equal to, it is minus m into, this is minus m minus 1 into ax plus b to the power minus m minus 1 minus 1. You can write that is minus m minus 2 into a into this a. ಮೊದಲೇ ಒಂದು a ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಮಗೆ. So now y2 can be written as, y2 ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಅಂದರೆ, you take minus outside, remaining is m. You take minus outside, remaining is m plus 1. ಅದೆರಡು ಮೈನಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so it is minus 1 whole square into m minus 1 into ax plus b to the power minus of m plus 2. You can take minus outside, minus of m plus 2. ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಿದೆ, a into a ಇದೆ, a into a can be written as a square. As you can now you can generalize the result by this, or you can write this is m plus 1, make it is m plus 1. Okay, so now you can generalize, or you can simplifying again. So if it's simplifying, or if you're differentiating this again with respect to x, For better understanding, you differentiate one more time. So y differentiation of y2 is y3. y3 is equal to minus 1 square, keep as it is, m into m plus 1. You keep that as it is, they are constants. Differentiation of this term is minus of m plus 2. This is minus of m plus 2. Close this bracket. This into ax plus b to the power minus of m plus 2 minus 1. You can write that is minus of m plus 3. Again, differentiation of ax plus b is a. A into a square gives a cube. A into a square andre a cube barata. So now y3 can be written as y3 is equal to minus 1 whole cube, because you take this minus outside and multiply this with minus 1 whole square, then it gives minus 1 whole cube. Minus 1 whole cube into m plus 1 into, if you take this minus outside, adu ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, m plus 2 ಆಯ್ತು ಇದು. This is m plus 2 into ax plus b to the power minus of m plus 3 into a cube. So ಈಗ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೋ y3 ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ. So now we have to simplify this, or you can write the generalized steps. So ಹೀಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರೆ at nth stage, if you can go on continuing like this, at nth stage we obtain that ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ nth stage ಅಲ್ಲಿ, if you go on continuing like this. So then we have yn is equal to, so minus y3 ನಲ್ಲಿ minus 1 ನ ಪವರ್ 3 ಇದೆ, yn ಅಲ್ಲಿ minus 1 ನ ಪವರ್ n ಇರಬೇಕು. So in y3 we have 3 factors, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 factors ಇದೆ, m plus 1, m plus 2. So in yn it must has n factors ಇರಬೇಕು. So then what is the, or which is the last factor, ಯಾವುದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ m plus 2 ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ 3 ಗಿಂತ 1 ನಂಬರ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೇನೆ that last factor should be m plus n minus 1 or m plus of n minus 1. This into ax plus b to the power minus of m plus 3 into a minus of m plus 3. You see ಇಲ್ಲಿ m plus 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ y3 ಇದ್ದಾಗ m plus 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ yn ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, m plus n ಬರಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ m plus n ಬರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ m plus n. ಮತ್ತೆ y3 ನಲ್ಲಿ a ನ ಪವರ್ 3 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ yn ಅಲ್ಲಿ a ನ ಪವರ್ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it must be n. So now if you simplifying this again, so ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಾವು, so then how can we simplifying this? yn is equal to minus 1 to the power n. You keep that as it is. So here this is m plus 1, m plus 2 and so on. So values ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So here you multiply 1 into 2 into 3 up to ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ m minus 1 ವರೆಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 1 into 2 into 3 and so on, m minus 1. So in numerator and denominator I am multiplying the same factors 1, 2, 3 and so on, m minus 1. And again in ಉಳಿದಿರೋದು ಬರೆಯೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ m into m plus 1 into m plus 2 and so on, it is m plus n minus 1. That last factor is m plus n minus 1. This into ax plus b. You can write that in denominator, no problem in it. ಇದನ್ನ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. ಇನ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದು ax plus b to the power plus m plus n ಆಯಿತು. This into a to the power n. So that is yn is equal to minus 1 to the power n. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ. So in numerator it is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to m plus n minus 1 is there. So you can write that is m plus n minus 1 factorial. This divided by, in denominator it is 1, 2, 3 up to m minus 1. So you can write it is m minus 1 factorial. And remaining here in denominator is ax plus b to the power m plus n into a to the power n. So this is the nth differentiation of 1 by ax plus b to the power m. 1 by ax plus b to the power m. Yes, two more problems are there. So I continue that problems in next session. So I wanted to close this session. So any doubts in regarding this nth derivatives, we discuss in the discussion class, the online discussion class. Thank you.